Pictures on the
A lot of people think papier-mâché is just for kids. Well, I'm a full-grown adult who loves papier-mâché. You can't take away my crafty hand, do-it-yourself mentality. If I see it, I think it, I dream it, I make it. And I don't care what the repercussions are. You can laugh at me, fine. There's no limitations when you're doing contemporary art. Whatever the medium, format, whether it's papier-mâché, crayons, it's all okay. My mother once took me to Philadelphia, where there is a battleship called the Olympia that sits there on the river. It's part of the White Fleet, which were the very early steam battleships. Very beautiful. They were like war machines and dreadnoughts, but they were also beautiful works of art inlaid with gold and white paint, something that you definitely would be able to spot on the open seas. I became fascinated with it and always built variations of these same ships. The one I'm working on now is the USS Connecticut. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Okay, you need to stop.
Yep. I'm the only one who's barely comfortable.
Okay, I gotta make a plug here. My new film, Man in Camo, is out now where you can stream, rent, and buy movies. Please go check it out, write a review, and share with your friends. Small independent films like this live and die with the word of mouth. So please, write a review and share with your friends.